Hi friends. Welcome to 120 seconds of CSS tricks. In this video, we will learn how to create a text gradient using CSS. First here, we will learn how to make background of a web page colorful gradient. So we will start writing CSS properties. Kindly set the background of body to linear gradient having color this and this. If you want to change the direction of floor of color gradient, just assign angle here, I set 45 degree. Here direction of floor of gradient has been changed. Now we move to the next part, that is text gradient. For this, let's create a paragraph in and style it for text gradient. So first make the font looks bigger. Set the background to linear gradient consisting colors. Now set the WebKit background clip to text. Then set WebKit text fill color properties to transparent. You can change the direction of floor of gradient by assigning degree here. Now, you can see, this text looks beautiful. Now you can try this too with different colors in your editor. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.